Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys basically how you can get the jack-o'-lantern cutout on your pumpkin in Dress to Impress. So at first, when I played this game and I put this on, the jack-o'-lantern pattern wasn't showing up and the toggle was just set to default. I couldn't really move it to the side. And the reason for that is because you didn't play the game yet, like the regular game. If you open up Baddy Pass, you'll see this on the first level, and it means you do have to unlock that pattern to go on the pumpkin, or else it's not going to be there. I was confused too, but then I was like, okay, so the pumpkin's here, but the shape of it wasn't showing on the pumpkin. It was just in default. So you are going to go to the regular server first, and you're just going to play a few games until you open up the jack-o'-lantern, I don't know, like carving on the pumpkin, so that it's going to look like this. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.